If Chrome keeps sending you to MSN when you open a new tab, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove MSN as your homepage on Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix if you're tired of seeing MSN every time you open a new tab and you want your browser back to normal. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open a new tab in Google Chrome. Once the new tab opens, look at the top of the browser and click the address bar. Now type chrome://extensions/ and press enter on your keyboard. This takes you directly to the extensions page, where you can see every extension currently installed in Chrome. On this page, look carefully through the list until you find the extension called MSN New Tab. This is usually the extension that causes msn.com to appear whenever you open a new tab. At this point, you have two options. You can either turn it off temporarily or you can remove it completely. For this tutorial, we're going to fully remove it so the change is permanent. To do that, click the Remove button next to MSN New Tab. Chrome will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the extension. This is normal, so just click Remove again to confirm. Now give it a second to process. Once it's finished, the extension will be gone from Chrome. From this point on, when you open a new tab, msn.com should no longer load automatically. Instead, Chrome will open a clean new tab the way it should. If you still see MSN after removing the extension, it's a good idea to check whether any other extensions are installed that may be changing your homepage or new tab page. But in most cases, removing MSN New Tab solves the problem immediately. So that's how to remove MSN as your homepage on Chrome. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.